What's up, guys? Today I got this harness install video. This is a harness that connects to the wheel speed sensor, I believe, and then it's wired to a switch that when you switch it off, it'll cut off the circuit to the wheel speed sensor, which it disables Stabilitrak and the ABS, so that way you can ensure that it's not going to lock up or try to activate itself. So what you do here, I'm gonna crawl underneath here, do the best that I can. So the sensor is, let me see, I can't really see, it's right there. So you're going to connect female to the male on over there, and the female to this male on the harness. Then once you get it mounted, once you get it connected, you're gonna come all the way down here to the side of the truck, and there's this little boot, and you're gonna run the switch into that boot. Therefore, you're gonna grab the cable from the inside of the truck, and you can place that switch anywhere you like. It's just on and off, simple. And I'll go ahead and once I'm done with it, I'll put another video up of it finished. Alright guys, she's all finished. Let me show you guys the finished product. So there's the harness by Shane Hines. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but correct me if I'm wrong. Zip tied it there, ran it through here, and then through underneath here on the frame. As you can see, it's right there, and it goes right up to this grommet right here. That it's right underneath your floor mat. I already installed everything back, so everything's back to normal. I went ahead and ran that wire up here, the one right there, all the way up to here. And there's that button. This button's for something else, but we're not worried about that right now. So toggle switch is right there. I went ahead and placed it there just because I use my truck was a work truck, so it only has one outlet. So let's see if it works. Give me a second while I turn this thing on. There it is. Wouldn't turn on because I had the steering wheel too far. As you can see, ABS light, Stabilitrak is off. Let's flip the switch. There you go. Hit the switch, disables it, switch it back, it's back to normal. That's it, guys. That's the video for today. If you guys have any more questions, you could also check out on the website. I think it's tbyshanehines.com, and they have this harness here for about $90. Pretty nice.